Here is how you can know if your iPhone display has been changed or not. So if this is your first time seeing the Foxtecc channel, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this. Well, the iPhone display might give it away right away, especially if it's like a cheaper model. Like you can see that it looks a little bit different. And also, for example, this is the iPhone 14 Pro, which I have the display replaced, and it was not like an official or original display, right? And you can see that I can be changing the brightness, but it's not going so smoothly as on the official phone. So I can change it from like, I don't know, from 30 to 15%, and it barely makes a difference, right? So it's not, there are some like little giveaways to know that the display has been replaced. But the best way to check it out is when you go to the settings and go to the general section, and inside of the about, we can find the parts and a service history. And I can see it clearly in this case that the display has been replaced and that the part or the accessory, the hardware piece, hasn't been recognized by the phone, which means that it's not official or like original display from Apple. But yeah, it's like unknown, and yeah, it wasn't really the official original accessory, but like a good replacement, which was not really official, but it still works, but it is not recognized. It is marked as unknown part, so that is the difference here. But as I say, the phone is working fine. Aside from those minor things, it's working well, but this is the place where you can check out if the display has been changed or not, and that's really useful, especially when you're buying like a phone on the internet or as a second-hand device somewhere. You can definitely check out at this place inside of the settings. But that would be all from me. I hope I was able to help you out and explain the way that it works. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe and hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you later.